The 5 children and ex-wife of the Boulder terror attack suspect have been released from ICE custody.
They spent more than 10 months in detention in Dilley, Texas. A federal judge today ordered their immediate release. The family was detained by immigration agents at their home in Colorado Springs after Mohammed Solomon was charged with throwing a firebomb at peaceful marchers on the Pearl Street Mall in Boulder last June. A woman died, a dozen others hurt. Well, your reporter Alan Janae has been following this story for months.
Now, and Alan, I mean, this case has been getting attention in the nation's capital and certainly in the Springs community where that family was living.
Absolutely, and we've been following it all along all this time. You know, this release came about 5 hours after the judge's order today. This is a family that has said they were in the process of seeking asylum when the father was arrested. The eldest daughter, Habiba, wrote from the detention facility that they had been trapped in a nightmare that they didn't create and punished for the father's actions. Habiba Solomon was his star student at a school in Colorado Springs, hoping to go to med school at Harvard. In January, she spoke with us on the telephone from the lockup in Texas, saying violence is never justified.
And we condemn all people that use violence, even in condemn my father.
Colorado School of Mines freshman Lila Petty was a close friend.
Habiba and I are no different. We went to the same high school. We graduated on the same stage. She was standing 5 people behind me in line.
They had aspirations for college and beyond, but that changed for Habiba with the attack on Boulder's Pearl Street Mall last June.
I can't imagine the heartbreak and the betrayal she must have felt in that moment. And then, you know, further heartbreak.
Today, however, Petty was among those supporters thrilled to hear her friend, her little brother and sisters and mother were ordered released.
It's a ridiculously long time to keep someone essentially in prison and for something that she did not do.
An FBI agent testified in court that there was no evidence the family knew of the attack. The father, Habiba said, was rarely home. Lawyers for months worked to free them. One of the attorneys representing the family told us today the release order is long overdue, but the administration's efforts to deport the family continue, so their ordeal is not over yet. The Department of Homeland Security's acting Assistant Secretary Lauren Biss attacked the judge who made the decision, claiming he was an activist appointed by Bill Clinton, and said, under President Trump, DHS will continue to fight for the removal of those who have no right to be in our country, especially national security threats. Still, friends and supporters plan to help the family after release. And you are looking forward to talking to your friend?
Very much so. I'm looking forward to talking to her. I'm looking forward to giving her a hug.
The judge ordered the mother and Habiba Solomon, who is an adult, to comply with electronic monitoring and periodically report in to immigration authorities after release. The mother, Hayam Al-Gamal, has been ill while in the facility, and supporters have claimed that she has not gotten needed medical attention. An attorney told us after the release this afternoon, we need to figure out the urgent medical issue immediately.
All right. Well, they're out now. She can get that medical help. Thank you, Alan.
Okay.